Welcome to TechPro Education, where our commitment to your success doesn't end at graduation. We understand the challenges of starting a career in the IT industry, and that's why we offer comprehensive career coaching services to our alumni. From resume services to internship opportunities, we're here to support you every step of the way. Our career coaching includes resume creation that stands out, updating your professional documents and online presence, and building a professional portfolio to showcase your skills and projects. Engaging in real-world projects and internship opportunities in reputable companies will provide you with the practical experience needed to transition smoothly into IT jobs. We also offer upskill and reskill programs to ensure you stay relevant in the fast-evolving IT field. Mentoring sessions, experience sharing, and interview preparation are all part of our alumni support system. Our extensive network and active alumni community provide opportunities for networking, referrals, and staying informed about industry trends. As a result of our career coaching services, our alumni have accessed remote work opportunities and even international job offers. It's not just about technical roles. Our alumni have also secured positions in non-technical skills such as business analysis, Scrum Master, and product management. At TechPro Education, we are dedicated to evaluating your career path regularly, ensuring that you remain focused and aligned with your aspirations. Your success is our success, and we're here to help you thrive in the dynamic world of IT.
Hello and welcome everyone to another event offered by our organization, TechPro Education. This is an introductory session on a journey to the world of, into the world of data, where we will explore, analyze, also shape the future. This is an introductory session of a completely new batch of our data science bootcamp. My name is Instructor Nikola from TechPro Education. I welcome all of you who are joining us today, whether it's through Zoom meeting or maybe if you're watching us through Instagram or maybe YouTube. I welcome all of you guys to today's introductory session, where I'm going to introduce you to our new data science bootcamp commencing mid-September. So let's start now. I want to start this meeting with a statement, and the statement is, the future is here. The future that we have been anticipating, we have been waiting for a very, very long time now. The future we have been waiting for a very long time, which is the age of artificial intelligence, or the era of AI or artificial intelligence. It has started, and in order to give you a proof of this statement, I want to show you a very brief video as a proof for my claim. And let's start the video first.
Imagine a world in 2030. It's a world transformed. AI is everywhere. It's in our homes, our workplaces, our lives. AI diagnoses illnesses with incredible accuracy. It personalizes education for every student. It even helps us make financial decisions. This is not science fiction. This is the future unfolding before our very eyes. It's a future filled with hope, progress, and the power of human ingenuity. Healthcare is changing. AI is leading the way. Imagine a world without long waits for diagnoses. AI can analyze medical images with incredible speed. It can detect diseases in their earliest stages. This means faster treatment and better outcomes. AI can also personalize medicine. It can analyze your DNA. It can recommend the best treatments for you. This is the future of healthcare. Finance is another area being revolutionized. AI is already changing how we invest and manage money. Algorithmic trading uses AI to analyze markets. It can make thousands of trades per second. This makes the markets more efficient. AI is also a powerful tool against fraud. It can analyze millions of transactions in real time. It can detect suspicious activity that humans might miss. Education is about to be transformed. AI can personalize learning like never before. Imagine AI tutors that adapt to your learning style. They could provide customized lessons and feedback. This would help every student reach their full potential. AI can also make education more engaging. Imagine interactive lessons and virtual reality experiences. Learning would become an adventure. Section 5. Robots in the operating room. This is not just a dream for the future. We can see the impact of AI today. Look at the field of robotics. Robots are assisting surgeons in the operating room. They can perform delicate procedures with precision. This reduces the risk of human error. These robots are not replacing doctors. They are giving them superpowers. Together, they are saving lives. Section 6. AI, the stock market whisperer. AI is already making waves in finance. AI-powered algorithms are used to predict stock market movements. These algorithms analyze vast amounts of data. They look for patterns and trends. This helps investors make more informed decisions. AI is not about replacing human judgment. It's about giving us the tools to make better decisions. Section 7. Learning at your fingertips. Smart education platforms are already here. These platforms use AI to personalize learning. They track your progress and identify your strengths and weaknesses. They can recommend personalized learning paths. They can connect you with other learners. This makes education more effective and enjoyable. AI is democratizing education. It's making quality education accessible to everyone. Section 8. The promise of a better tomorrow. The future of AI is bright. It's a future filled with possibilities. It's a future where technology empowers us. AI is not here to replace us. It's here to augment our abilities. It's here to help us solve the world's greatest challenges. It's up to us to use this technology wisely. We must ensure it benefits all of humanity. Section 9. Our AI future. The journey ahead is filled with challenges, but it's also filled with hope. AI has the potential to create a better future for everyone. It can help us eradicate diseases, personalize education, and create a more sustainable world. The possibilities are endless. Let us embrace the future with open arms. Let us work together to ensure that AI is a force for good in the world.
So dear friends, we just watched a video saying that nowadays artificial intelligence is being integrated in every sector possible, whether it's healthcare, finance, education, or maybe stock market, like whatever sector you can think of, AI is getting integrated into them. And not only that, it's not going to replace anybody. It's not going to replace like humans. Instead, AI is like a tool to so that we can benefit from it and so that we can automate a lot of our works, right? And let's discuss first what are we going to talk about today. In today's discussion, we are going to start with the importance of data, like why data is important. What is data science? Why data science? Then we are going to talk about a field, a part of data science, which is artificial intelligence, and then a roadmap for data science, what roadmap to follow in order to become a data scientist. AI agents, a completely new and revolutionizing part of artificial intelligence. What are job positions in AI and data science? What you can get only from our organization, from TechPro Education, and why experience matters. And we will also talk about salary in order to motivate everyone. So let's start the discussion. I want to start discussion by talking about the final scene. See, you may have seen a lot of movies, or maybe you may have read a lot of novels where the beginning of the story actually starts with the climax, with the final scenes of the story. And that's what I'm going to do today. In today's introductory session, I'm going to start first the end uh, game, let's say. I'm going to talk about what you're going to gain from this bootcamp, what what our graduates have done at the end of their data science bootcamp journey, how capable they have become. In order to do so, I'm going to show you some of the projects our students, our graduates have created throughout their data science bootcamp journey, also in the internship that we offer at the end of the data science bootcamp. So I'm going to show you just some of the projects our students have created. One of them is cancer risk prediction project that can predict the risk of cancer with high accuracy, right? Our students have created amazing chatbots in order to integrate it to different platforms, different websites for different companies. Amazing, amazing project of price optimization, uh, where our students, they use their uh, like data science skills plus their uh, like uh, domain knowledge. So our graduate who had some experience in the field of econometry and mathematics, he combined his data science skills, whatever he learned with us in our data science bootcamp, with his background knowledge, background field, which was econometrics and mathematics, and he created this amazing project of price optimization that gives you an estimate, like an optimized price for a product if you are selling, right? Like this, our students have created amazing, amazing projects. They have used really good tools related to data science. Another one you can see over here, this computer vision project detects the quality of a source. And you can see over here, whenever we give a source like this one, an image like this one, it detects the quality of that specific source. Another one you can see over here, uh, 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 warehouse product label reading. So they are using a technology called OCR, or optical character reading, where they are reading the label of a warehouse product, right? Another amazing project, pose estimation, that estimates the pose of a person. Another one, sentiment analysis, analyzing the emotion, the sentiment behind, let's say, a comment, right? Like this, a lot of different projects have been created by our graduates. This one, churn prediction, where you predict the likelihood of a customer or an employee leaving your services, right? So this is something really, really important. See, if you are in the field of, let's say, sales or maybe marketing or something like that, it is very, very difficult to get a new customer, to get a new customer, to attract a new customer, then to keep the customer you already have. So a lot of companies, they need projects like this one, for example, churn prediction, to predict if they are about to lose one of their customers, if one of their customers are about to, leave the services the company provides. And then in order to prevent them leaving, apply different strategies. So for that, our students created this amazing churn prediction project. Another one, real-time emotion detection, where it detects the emotion of a person. So how did our students succeed in this, in making this type of project? Uh, During the bootcamp, our students, they acquire all the necessary knowledge and information, and then at the end of the course, we offer them real internship projects with international companies, where they apply whatever knowledge they have gained on a real life project, and they create these amazing, amazing projects. Another one, revenue analysis, forecasting what will be the revenue maybe next 12 months, next 5 years, something like that, right? Along with them, a lot of companies, they want to analyze their data. So in order to do that, our students, they got the data, they performed like all the necessary operations, and then they created these amazing dashboards as well. You can see over here one dashboard, you can see over here. And these dashboards are created to analyze the situations of the company, like if they're uh, but like we analyze all the data of the company to give a glance of like what is the situation of the company. Are we like in profit? Are we making profit, or we are not making profit? What is the revenue like this? You can analyze every detail about the company, about the data related to company, and then created these uh, amazing dashboards in order to show your results. And here you can see another one, analyzing the income and profitability of the company, right? Analyzing the performance of the company, performing customer-based product analysis. Another amazing application where it predicts category of something. For example, you can show a product, uh, a picture of a product, and it can categorize it. It can predict the category of that specific product. Another one, creating chatbots, right? Creating chatbots. Here, I'm going to show you a video of one of our students who created this data science and mentorship assistant chatbot. Let's watch this together.
Hello, my name is Esra. Today I'm excited to show a chatbot application I developed using LLM, large language model. This chatbot is designed to answer questions from students in the field of data science and provide mentorship support to guide them in their learning journey. How does it work? Users can ask questions about topics like data science, Python, machine learning, and mentorship. The chatbot first searches for answers in its FAQ database using a TF-IDF model and cosine similarity. If no match is found, the system connects to LLM GPT 3.5 Turbo to generate accurate and intelligent responses. On the left side, users can upload their own file in Excel format. This feature allows the chatbot to be customized and provide responses based on the user's specific data. LLM architecture. The chatbot integrates the natural language processing techniques with an LLM model to deliver fast and relevant answers. The workflow involves searching the existing database for a response. If no answer is found, leveraging the GPT 3.5 Turbo model to handle the query. In building this project, I combined my technical skills with tools like Streamlit to create a user-friendly and interactive interface. Working on these projects like this excites me and motivates me to grow further in the field of data science and AI. I would love to hear your thoughts and feedback. Feel free.
So dear friends, that was, one of the project our students have created. And here you can see another project, our students end of boot camp or end of semester individual project. It was published in an international peer-reviewed academic journal. Our student who had a background in architecture, she combined that domain knowledge, let's say, along with the skills she acquired through our bootcamp, created this amazing project that can uh, predict the uh, class or type of architecture in Europe, if I'm not mistaken. And the article, we also helped her to create, like in developing the project phase as well as the article phase as well. And her project, it was mentioned, it was published an international peer-reviewed academic journal. So something I like the most about data science is that you can apply your data science skills in any field that you want, whether you have a background in finance, accounting, healthcare, it doesn't matter, agriculture, right? This is something really interesting about data science, that you can combine it with any field that you want, and you can uh, create amazing, amazing projects with them, right? So our goal is throughout this data science journey to build a strong portfolio with a lot of AI projects. That's what we want. That's our goal, right? A lot of people, they are uh, like, as soon as they graduate, they work as freelancers, they create their own projects. And there are a lot of people who, as soon as they graduate, they create good projects, and they even uh, like start their own startups. So this is why, as I said before, what I like the most about data science is that, one, you can integrate it to any field that you want, plus you can even start your own startups, right? So for that, during our data science journey, we are going to create a lot of projects with you guys, whether it is during the bootcamp itself or whether it is in the internship phase. And even the Prize in Physics in 2024, it was awarded jointly to two people, John Hopfield and Geoffrey Hinton. Geoffrey Hinton is considered as the godfather of deep learning, right? A part of artificial intelligence, for foundational discoveries and inventions that enable machine learning and artificial neural networks. So even you can see that the groundbreaking researches and things going on related to AI nowadays, right? And before I talk about like what is data science, why it is important, or if I talk about the roadmap, let's talk about the information around the internet nowadays. According to statistics and surveys made at the end of 2024, they revealed that every minute throughout 2024, these things happened around the internet. Around 36 million votes Reddit votes cast. Approximately $4.4 million made in sales in Amazon. Approximately 500 hours of videos were uploaded in YouTube. Around 41.7 million messages were sent in WhatsApp. 3,500, 100,000 stories were posted on Instagram. Almost over 500,000 emails were sent. All of this happened in just 1 minute on the internet. And you can see all of these information, all of these things are datas, they're information. All of this is happening actually because of internet, right? All of this is happening because of internet. See, data, see, every minute computers around the world, they collect millions of gigabytes of data, right? And this data is actually the fuel of the digital age. See, in 20th century, oil was the fuel of that age, right? Now, in this age, data is going to be the fuel of digital age. Whoever has the data, they have the control, they have the power. And if you ask me what is a data, data is everything we see around ourselves, whether it is an image, a text, an email, a video, a sound, everything going on around us, it's data. And whoever has the data, they control the data, they control the like, let's say, the power. So for this reason, I can clearly say that this is the era of the age of digital dominion. As I said, the balance of power will be shifted into the direction of data. So the key in this age, in this era, is data. The power of this dominion depends on controlling data. In 2022, if I'm not mistaken, around November, uh, ChatGPT was released to the public. After that, we have seen tons of different AI tools, right? Tons of different AI tools. And as soon as at the beginning, it was only ChatGPT by the company OpenAI. And after that, we also saw a lot of different companies creating their own AIs. And if you remember, when DeepSeek by China was released, a lot of attention were shifted toward that side. So whoever has the control over data, over artificial intelligence, whoever is producing amazing products and tools like this one, they have the control, they have the power, we can say, right? So in this new world, in this new digital era, data is like the atom of that new world. Meaning, in that world, everything will be built on data, whether it's like different AIs, different tools, different products, everything will be based on data. So data is like the atom, like the building block of this new world, we can say, right? And yeah, uh, so if there are a lot of data around us, it is necessary it is necessary for us to put on data classes, data classes. Some of you may ask, sir, what is data classes? It is, you can think of it as a strategy where we look around us, we look around us, and we try to notice data. And we think to ourselves, like, how can I make sense of all of this data around us? Right? How can I make sense of the data around us? Let's say you're working in healthcare sector. In healthcare sector, a lot of people, they come to doctor, they for diagnosis and all. And during that process, a lot of data, a lot of information is gathered. A lot of X-ray images are gathered. A lot of MRI images are collected. Now, a lot of data are collected. Now, our goal is to think like, how can I make sense of this data? What can I do with all of these data, this abundance of data around us? And how can I use it to make my life easier? And why should we do that? Let's talk about that. Like, why it is necessary to think like that. Because we are at a very, very terrifying point. We are at a very, very terrifying point. See, OpenAI, they achieved the company a remarkable success with their O1 model, and now recently with their GPT-5 model. They can solve 83% of the problems in mathematics Olympiads, and even in recent models, maybe even better than that. And they can demonstrate PhD level performance in scientific research for this reason. So we have entered an age of being multidisciplinary. So you cannot just say, I am just a medical professional, I'm just an economist, an engineer, a mathematician. These terms, these sentences are outdated. They are no longer enough. Why? Because tools like ChatGPT can do the same type of work. So why uh, should a company, let's say, hire you? Or what extra you can put from your own side? For this reason, we are at a very terrifying point. If you want to be relevant in this new age, you have to learn artificial intelligence. You should know how you can integrate AI into your field. So being just a medical professional, an economist, an engineer is not enough. You should know how you can integrate artificial intelligence with it. How you can make the 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 daily tasks you have more accurate, and how you can perform those things faster with the help of artificial intelligence. So if you want to get good at artificial intelligence, if you want to learn it, for this reason, first you have to learn data science. What is data science? Data science is this completely new, let's say, field, right? That tries to make sense of data. There is a data, there is an information, and we are trying to make sense of it. We are trying to see what this data or information is telling me. That's what we are trying to do. Okay? So why should I learn data science? Because data, as I said, data science is the field that analyzes those data. They try to make sense of those data. They try to make amazing projects with them. So, as I said, in this new age, data is the fuel of 21st century, right? Data has become most valuable resource in today's economy. For this reason, we should learn data science. There is a problem of demand and supply. There is a demand and supply gap. See, there is a demand for data science experts, and this demand is, growing rapidly. But the number of qualified people, qualified individuals is actually very, very limited. And this actually presents a very good opportunity for data scientists. It has a very lucrative career, meaning you can earn really well. It is changing the world. It is getting integrated. It is to any field, any sector that you can think of. It is revolutionizing a lot of sectors like healthcare, education, finances, and whatever field you can think of. And as I said before, it is actually the future. So the future of data science, I can assure you, it is set. There is an increase in data science roles. Uh, it has clearly defined scope of data science. It is creating a lot of jobs, right? And like this, there are actually a lot of reasons I can tell you. For this reason, I can assure you that we must learn data science and the future is really, really good. So if you want to get good, if you want to become relevant in this new age, in this new era, right? We have to integrate, we should know artificial intelligence, and we should know how we can, integrate it to our lives, to our work. Why is it important? And by the way, a lot of people, they get afraid whenever they hear the word artificial intelligence, like it is going to, there will be an uprising of AI and there it's going to, take a lot of jobs. That is actually not the case. One of the uh, most famous names in the field of AI, Andrew Ng, he says just as electricity transformed almost everything 100 years ago, today I actually have a hard time thinking of an industry that I don't think AI will transform in the next several years. Just how electricity transformed everything around us in last 100 years, the same thing will happen with AI. Can you think of a day, an hour without electricity? It's not possible, right? Like our day-to-day life will become like crippled. The same thing is going to happen with artificial intelligence. It's going to get integrated everywhere, right? And it's going to transform our lives. It's going to make our lives easier. So, in this new age, we have a new model, right? A new model. This new world that we have, it is changing with something called generative AI. A very, the latest part, the latest development in the field of AI called generative AI. It is a type of AI that generates something, that creates something. You may have seen a lot of AI tools that create images, create videos. You just write a prompt, write something, write an instruction, and it's going to perform a task for you, right? That is called the generative AI. This is one of the most recent advancements in this new uh, age of AI, we can say. And then after that comes LLM and AI agents. LLM is large language models. Good example of it is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language models. And then the most recent thing related to AI is called AI agents. AI agents. I'm going to talk about AI agents a little bit later. Okay, so we have a completely new, let's say, digital age, and uh, like what is upon us, like what we should do. Uh, What we should do is we should enhance our productivity, and in this age, self-improvement and innovative approach is must. It is essential, it is necessary to improve ourselves by experimenting with different models. See, nowadays you can see that there are a lot of different uh, like AI tools you can think of, right? A lot of AI tools. Some of them are for creating images, some of them are for creating, let's say, videos, creating, writing essays, writing stories, right? Even writing like poems and songs. Our goal is how we can use all of these new models, how we can use these large language models, AI agents, in order to enhance our productivity, in order to improve ourselves. And in order to do all of this, we should have an innovative approach. Why? See, a lot of people are using these AI tools to create their own startups, create their own projects, and then selling it to a lot of people. The CEO of OpenAI, the company that owns ChatGPT, Sam Altman, he says that if a person has internet and a computer, they have the potential of being worth billions of dollars, of billions of dollars, only internet and a computer. Why? Because there are a lot of new models, a lot of new tools around the internet which we can use in order to enhance our productivity, in order to improve ourselves, improve our work, and all of that. And all of these things, all of these new tools, they're coming from artificial intelligence. And the most recent ones are generative AI, large language models, which is a type of generative AI, obviously, and AI agents. And AI agents. All of these things you will learn in our data science bootcamp, in the data science journey that we can have together. And there is a very increase for data science position there. See, we are talking about data science, so we have to give you some data, some statistics, some proof, right? There is the statistics by Northeastern University in Boston in the US, if I'm not mistaken, that the demand for data science position is going to grow or increase by 40, almost 42% between the years 2021 all the way till 2020, 2031. So in this 10 years, we can say that there will be an increase for data science positions, right? So there is a job growth expected in next couple of years as well. And these will not be only, jobs posted by companies. It can be a research position. It can be, a lot of freelancing positions that a lot of people, a lot of company, they are, giving away projects. And you work as a freelancer, apply for a project, get a project from company and complete it maybe in 2 months, 3 months. So this is also, another, we can also think of it as a job created by AI. So if you want to start for this journey, where can you start with artificial intelligence? Where can you start with data science per se? See, if you're interested actually in working in this field, create your own products, create your own projects, create your own AIs, and someday maybe, hopefully, uh, like become a data scientist, the first step is this bootcamp, a data science. That's the beginning. But if you want to just if you say that I don't want to create my own projects, or maybe I don't want to uh, create my own products, Or if you just want to learn a couple of AI tools like ChatGPT, how can I use ChatGPT properly? How can I use other AI tool in order to make my life easier? That's also, another topic. But in that case, you will not be relevant in the new, let's say, age. As I said, artificial intelligence is actually evolving a lot. And if you want to stay relevant, you have to keep up with it. You have to follow it. You should know what is actually going on in artificial intelligence. A lot of people, a lot of companies, they are using data science, and I can assure you that maybe there is no company that's not like working on artificial intelligence, that's not working with data science nowadays. And in data science, there are a lot of you will come across a lot of concepts like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI. These are the type of concepts you are going to see throughout your data science journey. As I said, in data science, artificial intelligence is the bigger umbrella. And inside that, there is machine learning, there is deep learning. And even if you are categorizing different decades, different years, the year that we are living right now is we are in the age of, let's say, generative AI, the most recent parts of it, right? We are kind of in transition between generative AI and we can also say AI agents. Okay, so we said that the first step is data science. Now, let's talk about the roadmap of data science. How can you start with it? You can start with this is the roadmap I want to, show you. Your data science journey uh, is going to include two parts. The first part is the data analysis module, starting from here all the way till this part. It's going to start with the very basics, IT fundamentals, the fundamentals of IT, right? And then we are going to see Python programming language. Along with it, we are going to see some libraries on Python programming language like NumPy, Pandas, data visualizations, this part. Apart from that, we are also going to see some statistics. Another programming language you can think of is SQL, and some BI tools or business intelligence tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Google Sheets. We are going to see all of these things throughout our data analysis journey, where at the end of it, you can become a data analyst, you can apply to a lot of different job positions like data analyst, business analyst, and such. And then the second module starts, the module of artificial intelligence, where we are going to see uh, machine learning, deep learning. Apart from that, we are also going to see generative AI, web scraping, uh, Streamlit, Flask, AWS, all of this part. And at the end of your data science journey, you're also going to have an internship project. And with that, your data science bootcamp journey will come to an end. And I want to talk about something very, very promising for maybe next 5 to 10 years. It is the AI agent. See, this AI agent is the most recent developments in the field of artificial intelligence. These are systems which are designed to perform tasks autonomously. A very good example of it is autonomous drones. There are a lot of trading bots integrated in trading applications, trading websites that performs trading on your behalf. What it does, it perceives something, it looks at some situation, it reasons, it uses logic, it reasons, it tries to understand how can I solve this problem, and then it acts by itself. This is the most recent and most interesting part of recent developments in the field of AI. We will integrate uh, AI agents in our new curriculum. Okay, we are going to integrate AI agents, which is a completely, as I said, new topic in artificial intelligence, and we are going to integrate it into our curriculum. Why having it in our curriculum makes us special? Because with this, we are future proofing our training. See, while a lot of boot camps, they may only teach basic, like classic machine learnings, data pipelines, maybe some deep learning, but we are also adding the latest wave, the latest development in the field of AI, agentic, agentic AI or AI agents. With this, we are guaranteeing our training. We are future proofing our training, right? So, uh, by learning agentic AI or AI agents, our students, they are not just going to analyze data. They will design intelligent systems that act on a data. These AI agents are not like a tool. They're not like a like an AI, let's say, tool like a chat GPT that you can uh, that you can use it. Instead, they are going to be like a collaborator, like an assistant that performs a lot of your tasks autonomously by itself. And we are going to teach AI agents to you guys. And in our curriculum, we are going to see a lot of, let's say, tools and platforms and programming languages. And among them, we have selected the best one. The most popular programming language in 2025, it's Python. We are going to start with Python, our data science journey. All right. In Stack Overflow's 2024 developer survey, most popular technology for databases are these ones, and we are going to show you PostgreSQL, the most popular one. Uh, Among most popular libraries of Python, libraries around the internet, we are going to show you all of these ones. NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, OpenCV, like this. Right? We are going to show you the most popular cloud program, which is AWS or Amazon Web Services. Like this, we are going to show you, we are going to use all of the, let's say, the most popular tools, the most popular platforms in our data science journey. If you still have question, experience our course completely for free. First 45 hours, where we are going to talk about basics of Python plus IT fundamentals. It's going to be like first 45 hours. They're going to be completely for free. Come, join us. If you don't like, no problem at all. At least you're going to get some experience about fundamentals of IT. You're going to get some uh, like you're going to learn a lot of things within the basics of Python. So for this, at least, even if you're not interested maybe about the AI, please join the first 45 hours completely for free. Nobody's asking for any money, any payment. So experience the course firsthand and see if you like it or not. Now let's talk about Kaggle. Kaggle is an online platform for data scientists who are interested, in building AI projects and building different AI, let's say, products. It's a very large community where a lot of data scientists, they come together, they work on a lot of projects, a lot of competitions are there, right? And yeah, and I can tell you that 7 of our students from our recent graduates, our recent batch of data science, batch 304, they uh, they won actually a very good competition. 7 students, they formed a group, they won, they got first place in a very, a competitive competition in Kaggle. Like this, a lot of our students, they have reached the level of masters and experts in Kaggle. And with like with this, they have created, amazing portfolios for themselves. And something very interesting in data science is that there are a lot of different job positions you can apply to once you complete your data science journey. You can apply for machine learning engineer positions. You can work as a data scientist, data engineer, business analyst, right? Business intelligence analyst, data analyst, engineer, computer vision engineer, and there are actually a lot of different job positions you can apply to. You can integrate your domain knowledge of maybe medicine or maybe healthcare or maybe sales with AI or maybe medical imaging, right? And you can combine both of them together and you can work maybe as a as as someone who integrates AI with their like domain knowledge, for example, an architecture who understands from artificial intelligence, right? And let me talk about what you can get only from us, only from TechPro Education. We offer free AI courses where we will introduce you to artificial intelligence, where we talk about prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is a completely new, let's say, field that teaches you how you can use AI tools like ChatGPT and how you can get maximum, let's say, benefit from them. Apart from that, we are going to we are going to teach a lot of different AI tools, like how you can uh, convert videos to text, how you can perform voice cloning, voiceover, how you can use AI in job application, in content creations. Like this one, we are going to show you a lot of different AI tools and things you can perform, things you can do with AI. This is a completely new course, and we are going to actually a new batch of free AI courses going to start on 1st of September. If you want to enroll, go to our website, and there in free courses there is this free AI literacy course. So you can enroll in that. 1st of September it's going to start if you want to learn all of these things completely for free. This is something only we as TechPro Education offer to you guys. And these are some of the things our students created during their uh, journey with us, during their free AI course with us. And uh, from time to time, we perform competitor analysis where we analyze our competitors, we analyze the market, what's going on. And I'm going to talk about some of the strengths we have after we did the competitor analysis. We provide three different we provide a lot of different delivery methods. The most famous one is the live session classes, where like more than 90% of our curriculum, our courses are delivered completely live. Apart from that, uh, students who are interested, for them we also have hybrid and self-paced sessions as well. If you're interested in that type of course, you can get in touch with our CRS team and they're going to help you out with that. Apart from that, we provide daily educational support without leaving any of our students behind. Uh, the duration of our curriculum is long enough, so we provide a vast curriculum to bring our students from zero level to the best level, to in order to prepare you for the market. All students are included in internships without any discrimination, and that's completely for free. Our instructors, they have academic careers. A lot of us have authored and or co-authored a book. I myself, I co-authored a book with one of our instructors related to machine learning. Like this, our other instructors, they have, created, they have published books. You can find them in Amazon related to CNN computer vision. So we have a very good team of instructors. Apart from that, we have a very economical pricing policy. We uh, We also offer a long and comprehensive deep learning training, right? Deep learning training, which is the advanced part of our artificial intelligence. Our corporation has a lot of corporate accreditations. You can see over here some of them. I'm not going to talk about this for a lot of time. And what sets TechPro Education apart from other boot camps is that we provide completely free internship projects. We are in collaboration with Richmond College in the UK. So if you're interested in acquiring maybe a master's degree, a bachelor's degree, something related to data science, or maybe something related to technology, we are in collaboration with Richmond College, which are going to help us. Apart from that, with our free AI literacy courses, we are going to teach you how you can use uh, tools like ChatGPT. We are going to teach you prompt engineering. We are going to create a lot of different capstone projects. At the end of your data science journey, uh, we will pro- uh, we will prepare you for interviews with mock interviews. We are going to teach you data storytelling, a very comprehensive computer vision, which you're not going to find in a lot of places. We provide IT talks in order to prepare you for the market, in order to talk about like what's going on actually in the market and all of that. Apart from that, we also have this AI Academy team where a lot of our students with our instructors, they come together, they write a lot of good articles, and some of them I think have been published even in some Spanish journals. And our understanding of this new educational model is product-based learning. So in this product-based learning, what happens is we are going to create a lot of products, a lot of projects, and we are going to learn these AI tools, this artificial intelligence by creating a lot of projects, by creating a lot of product. Our bootcamp has been nominated as one of the 10 best bootcamps in 2023, 4, and 5. We, for those of you who are in Germany, we are in collaboration with Job Center of Germany. So for those of you who are enrolling us through, like from Germany, we can get in touch with Job Center, and maybe you can, uh, get your education completely free of cost, because we are in collab. We have partnership with Job Center, and you can like get in touch with us for that. We also provide mentoring support. See, mentoring support is something very necessary. I have seen a lot of people who uh, they complete this a lot of data science courses from YouTube, Udemy, maybe they also get really good courses actually from like MIT online courses and EDX and platforms like that and Coursera. But at the end of the day, once they complete their training and courses, they don't know what to do. So this is where our mentoring supports come into picture. With mentoring, we give a lot of support for our students. We direct them in order to reach their goals. See, what do we do in our mentorship meetings? We perform weekly reviews. We get feedbacks from our students regarding the lessons, if there is any problem like they have been facing. Uh, we uh, like try to enhance soft skills of our students. We perform one-on-one meetings. uh, we track the assignments of students. We perform we monitor uh, using quiz monitoring and encouragement. We try to get our students ready for the market. And there are actually a lot of different tracking self-tracking files we have like this, like these ones, in order to prepare our students for the market. And let's talk about experience. See, experience is something which has become increasingly necessary in today's market. It doesn't matter if you have graduated with amazing marks, or Maybe you have created a lot of project, but whatever job posting you're going to apply to, they will definitely ask you for experience. They will ask if you have any experience or not. See, experience may not be everything, but it is actually a lot of things. What do I mean with that? It means that it's going to help you a lot in order to get like employed, or maybe get a really good job. And we are going to tackle this experience with the internship opportunities we provide. During the internship, you are going to work on real life data, and you're going to create amazing project during the internship for the company. So you will kind of have 2 3 months of experience of what actually a data scientist do, and this way you're going to get prepared for the market. See, if you're applying for a job position, let's say they're calling you for an interview, right? And they're going to actually ask you a lot of questions, maybe related to even soft skills. For example, they're going to ask you questions related to teamwork, related to solving a problem. For example, they're going to ask you, did you face any type of problem with your teammates, with your colleagues during your, let's say, internship? And the good thing about internship opportunity that we provide is that because you're working in real life data with a company, and you're going to be working with a lot of your colleagues, you will definitely face some problems, and you're going to actually have an experience during that time on how to solve those type of problems. This is what I like a lot about the internship opportunity we provide, right? uh, yeah. So let's talk about something very motivating in this field, which is the salary. Here you can see the average salary of a data scientist from different locations. You can see, so it has a very hefty, salary. It has a very good payment. This data, the field of data science. See, maybe money may not be uh, like the only reason why we get into the field of AI and data science, but it is actually a very good factor, a very motivating factor also. Like, who wouldn't want to be capable of providing for their families, making a really, good life for themselves? So this field that you see over here, the field of data science and artificial intelligence, actually helps us a lot with that. And here you can see some of the figures of like data scientists' salary in different countries. I'm going to skip some of these. Our students have been employed in a lot of different companies like American Express, Philips, Johnson Labs, like this one. These are some of the Turing companies our students, our graduates, they have been employed at. And how will the training will be conducted during your data science boot camp? We are going to like conduct our training in different platforms. The first one is learning management system. Apart from that, in order to make our sessions more engaging, more interactive, we are also going to use different platforms like PeerDeck, Kahoot, and Replit. Maybe some of you might be familiar with them. Apart from all of this, we also provide career support. See, we are going to help and support you until you get an offer. And here you can see one of this is a statement from our one of our graduate who said that we are not worried about interviews anymore. Why? Because they work in during the internship. They actually work for a company for 2 3 months. They get first-hand experience, so then they have already done something, right? And whenever they're like called for an interview, all they do is they just talk about like what they did in the internship. They already have experience in a company. So even a lot of our students, when they are called for an interview, they have just talked about what they have done in the internship, right? So this way we are actually preparing our students for interviews. During our career support, we help our students tailoring really good resumes for different jobs. get a really good LinkedIn profile. How can we like enhance our LinkedIn profiles? And these are some of the statements I can make right now regarding our career support. We are not going to leave you alone on this career journey. From the moment you graduate, our experienced career coaches, they will be dedicated to understanding your personal goals and then charting, tailoring the best path for you. We are going to support you in the job search process as well. We will be by your side at every step until you find a job. But the important thing is, let me tell you something from now on, that you should be passionate about it. You have to dedicate the time. You should put in the effort. See, uh, a bird cannot fly with just one wing. It doesn't matter how much help we are trying to, give you, until and unless you are also not showing some effort. For this reason, in order for a bird to fly, both wings should work properly. Not We will do our best from our side, and we also expect you guys to put in the effort and follow the path that we are charting for you, right? Another important thing I want to talk about is mock interviews. At the end of your data science bootcamp, we will conduct mock interviews, even in different languages like in German, Turkish, as well as English, right? So I can tell you that the future itself is data science. It is artificial intelligence. So I request all of you guys to join our network, join us, even if it's for the first 45 hours completely for free. Come experience our education firsthand and see if you like it for yourself. I think this much is enough. I will not bore you guys with the rest. If you want to register for any of our courses, please get in touch with our CRS or customer services representatives. Uh, you can get in touch with either one of our customer services like representatives. The numbers, the information about them have been shared in the screen. And thank you for uh, joining today's event. It was actually a very good session for me as well. And I hope to see you guys join our network and maybe in the class. Have a nice day.